Siaya has, in the cases we take up, SGBV cases form a very large percentage of these cases. One is, SGBV cases you might see it in the form of not in the form of forcible detainer, in the form of defilement, in the form of rape, domestic violence. We estimate that there are 73% of the cases in Siaya, 73 to 80% that are of SGBV nature. Yes, they form a very huge percentage of the cases here. Yes. Let me talk about the ones who have not been successful in. It is not because the office failed, it is because maybe witnesses were not present, there was witness interference and they got lost, and or withdrawals. Some of them are withdrawals because, for example, rape cases, there are people who have decided to withdraw. But our success rate is also at 73% on the matters that we take in, and I believe that is more because we are focusing on the decision to charge and the rapid policy on how we deal with SGBV cases. What we recommend is that let those complaints be addressed to us. We will find out what position that investigation is at. We will, if the files are proper, we will continue and charge. The ODPP, part of its mandate is not to discriminate any individual.
I've had different cases being withdrawn from court, but with the interaction that I've had with the ODPP, it has been clarified that I can take the cases back and we can review these cases and we get justice for these minors that we had.
So every other person who participates in that kangaroo court is liable for prosecution. And when we hear that, every other person there will be either obstructing justice or will be actually technically obstructing justice, and they shall be subjected to the criminal process. Yes. And don't keep quiet. If you have a case and you feel like it is not being dealt with properly at the police station, you have a right to come to our office and complain about it. As I have said, one of the duties of the office of the ODPP is to direct the Inspector General of Police on how to conduct investigation. We will do prosecution-led investigation. Fear not. You can do it via a letter. You can do it through the paralegals here. You can do it through MileMe. They will communicate to us and we'll be able to respond accordingly. So the community should not entertain vices of SGBV in any form or substance. Even they should not even be deterred by the fact that there are customs that might be repugnant now to the Constitution.